What's up, guys? Welcome back to another YouTube video. Today we are looking at my yarn haul that I got from Joann's before they closed. And where am I going to put all of this yarn? Now, before I get too far into this video, make sure to like and subscribe for more crocheting content. Okay, so when I found out that Joann's was closing, I kind of went overboard and was like, I need to buy as much yarn as I possibly can, even though I quite literally have an entire wall full of yarn, and I have Tupperwares all over my room with no idea as to where I am putting any of this. The majority of the yarn that I bought is acrylic yarn. I did get quite a bit of cotton too, as well as some yarn for my mom for a giant blanket, but I don't know where any of this is gonna go. I'm trying to figure out how to prioritize space. I don't have like a lot of space in my closet, but you know, we're gonna make something work. So let's get into some reorganizing. Here's the reference for you guys, and here's what's behind me. The yarn wall, my favorite wall. I did find an empty storage bin that I can definitely put some yarn in. It's not gonna hold a lot, but let's see what we can put in here. All right, I did manage to get 9 rolls of acrylic in here, so it doesn't really look like it made much of a difference, but a start's a start. I think if we can move my giant Tupperwares that are on the floor here, that I might be able to make some progress, because I have a pull-out drawer at the base of my bed, and that honestly might be helpful. So all yarn. Move that one, and this one again, all yarn. Why did I buy more yarn? I don't know, but I think now I might be able to pull out the bottom drawer. All right, guys, there's not tons of space in here, but we're gonna put everything that we can in here. Okay, this is about all I could fit in this drawer, so it is full now. And this is what the bed still looks like. Okay, so this video is going to be continued, because I have no idea where the rest of this is going. I'm still gonna have to figure out space. I'm thinking maybe in my closet that we might go through some of that. So this will have to be a to be continued video. So here's the first little snippet of it. If you enjoy, definitely make sure you watch out for the second part of this video. Thank you all so much for being here, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.